Everywhere you look, the headlines scream, AI is coming for all the tech jobs. But here's the truth. AI won't obsolete every role. Some jobs will disappear, others will evolve, and a few will actually grow stronger. Today, I'm breaking it all down so you know exactly where you stand. Okay, welcome back. I'm John Conley, the digital transformer guy. I help enterprises, architects, and leaders navigate the chaos of digital transformation. AI feels like the new cloud wave. When cloud first came, everyone said it would eliminate IT jobs, and instead, it reshaped them. We're seeing the same thing right now. In the next several minutes, I'll walk you through three categories: jobs at high risk of elimination, hybrid jobs that AI will reshape, and resilient jobs that are set to grow. I'll also share a real world case study of a Fortune 500 retailer that cut GPU costs by 30% using smart AI FinOps. Think about the last time you set up a basic CRUD API, create, read, update, delete, or had to debug a help desk ticket like, my password isn't working. Those are exactly the kinds of repetitive, rule-based tasks AI excels at, and that's why these jobs are at risk. Examples: entry-level software developers. AI copilots now auto-generate boilerplate code. What used to take a junior developer 2 days can be done in 2 minutes. Routine QA testers. Instead of manually writing regression test scripts, AI creates and executes entire suites. The role changes from button clicker to test designer. Tier 1 IT support. Chatbots can already reset passwords, triage tickets, and resolve FAQs. Users don't even realize a human isn't involved. DBAs and network monitoring staff. Cloud-native services self-tune, self-heal, and alert. The grunt work of keep the lights on is fading. If your day-to-day is mostly following a run book or solving problems that feel the same each time, chances are AI will take a big chunk of that over the next 5 years. Keep that in mind and plan for it accordingly. Now, the following are jobs that don't go away, but they don't look the same either. AI will handle the routine work, but humans still need to handle the judgment, creativity, and the edge cases. Examples: mid-level software engineers. Instead of spending all day writing loops and functions, you'll focus on integrating multiple APIs, designing error handling, and debugging when the AI's code goes sideways, hallucinations. DevOps engineers. AI can spin up pipelines automatically, but you'll need to enforce security, design golden paths to developers, and align everything with compliance. Site reliability engineers, or SREs. AI will cut down alert noise, but you'll still lead chaos engineering, error budgets, and capacity planning because a bot doesn't understand business trade-offs. And executives need to pay attention here because AI does have real limitations in this respect. Security engineers, blue team. AI will help triage alerts, but humans still decide if a breach is real, how to respond to that breach, and when to escalate. Think of hybrid jobs as the shift from being a doer to being a supervisor. You're no longer pulling every lever yourself, you're making sure the AI pulls the right ones at the right time. So here's the good news. Some jobs are not only safe, they're booming because AI makes them even more critical. Examples: enterprise and solution architects. You'll design AI reference patterns that other teams can reuse. Think of it like being the blueprint maker in a city where skyscrapers are going up overnight. Cybersecurity and IAM architects. AI adds new attack surfaces. Who designs the guardrails? Humans who know zero trust and threat modeling. And I've been doing quite a bit of zero trust API authentication and authorization design work lately and can attest to this. AI ML engineers. Sure, AI can write some ML code, but deploying, monitoring, tuning, and aligning models to business needs is still human-led. FinOps specialists for GPUs and LLMs. large language models. AI workloads are incredibly expensive. Companies need people who can optimize costs, predict GPU demand, and prevent budget overruns. One of my clients has this problem right now to the tune of millions of dollars per month at times. AI governance leaders. Regulators are already circling. Companies need humans to interpret, apply, and prove compliance with frameworks like EU AI Act or NIST AI RMF. These roles thrive because they involve judgment, trade offs, and accountability. An AI agent can suggest, but someone has to own the decision when millions of dollars or human safety is at stake. So, case study: a Fortune 500 retailer was bleeding cash on GPUs. They switched to Azure Spot VMs for training, 80% cheaper with checkpoints so jobs resumed when nodes were evicted. Talk about cost optimization. For inference, they fronted APIs with Azure API Management, adding throttling, quotas, and caching. Result? 30% net GPU savings while still meeting SLAs. Not bad. That's not a job disappearing, that's a job transforming. Architects, FinOps analysts, and engineers built a solution AI alone couldn't. This is exactly where hybrid and growth roles shine. Avoiding the Turing trap. Now, the Turing trap equals building AI to mimic humans instead of amplify humans. History lesson. During the dot-com bubble, everyone chased cool little websites without business value. Many failed, and hundreds of millions of dollars were lost. A recession followed. Today, companies chasing AI hype without guardrails will burn cash and kill trust too. The survivors will focus on complementary AI. That means AI that enhances human capability. So recap. High risk equals repetitive jobs, so avoid those at all costs. Hybrid, oversight and integration jobs. Growth, architects, security, AI ML, FinOps, governance. Advice? Don't fear AI, adapt with it. The most valuable people in tech will be the ones who combine human judgment with AI efficiency. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Digital Transformer Guy right now. Every week, I bring you the playbooks enterprises need to thrive in the AI era. If you want to go deeper technically for your own IT projects, I created an enabler epic that includes an outline of features, user stories, and tasks for your own architecture runway that will support product backlogs and sprint backlogs. And check out Digital Transformer Guide for more strategies at the intersection of AI, cloud, and business value. And watch out for our upcoming ebook, Digital Treasure Trove for Enterprise Solution Architects. Take care.